Welcome back. Many thanks for staying with us. All 14 persons dragged before an Accra High Court over the murder of Army Major Maxwell Adam Mahama have pleaded not guilty. They were each handed an opportunity to address the court for the first time since they were arrested and put on trial 9 months ago. The trial could not progress on Wednesday as the court failed to empanel a 7-member jury to hear the case. There's more in this report.
3 charges have been leveled against the 14 individuals. William Ban, who is the first accused person, has been charged with abetment to commit crime. 13 others were handed a charge of conspiracy to commit crime, while 8 persons faced the charge of murder. A lack of legal representation for some of the individuals standing trial had caused the matter to be adjourned twice. That was not the case on Wednesday, as the court appointed Godwin Jemfi to join the defense lawyers, George Bernard Shaw, Augustine Jemfi, Augustine Obo, and Seydou Nasidi. A fresh challenge now stares at the court in the face, getting a jury in place. This is not the first time this issue has come up before the court. The first time it did, the concern expressed by the judge was to the effect that because the case has the potential of traveling more than 2 years, it was appropriate the court got individuals who were less than the age of 60 to prevent a situation where they start hearing the case and they have to adjourn the case and set up a new panel simply because any of them is due for retirement. This time around, they managed to get 7 individuals, but the court still could not proceed to set up the panel. The reason being that a 7-member panel has to be put in place to hear the case. Now, they require more than 7 individuals. Each time someone is nominated to be on the panel, the defense lawyers and any lawyer connected to the case for that matter has the chance to oppose the nomination of that individual. So the judge says in the event you have just 7 individuals and anyone is nominated and there is opposition, it means that the court cannot proceed. Trial Judge Mahama urged the Judicial Service officers present in the court to assist the court to get more than 7 individuals from which the panel will be put in place. The court proceeded to take the plea of all 14 persons after it had agreed to defer the matter to the Judicial Service. We know the family of the deceased has an interest in this particular case. The father of the late soldier, Captain Retired Dennis Mahama, led the family delegation to monitor proceedings. I mean, he sat through the court as each of the accused persons pleaded not guilty to the 3 charges leveled against them. Captain Retired Dennis Mahama could be seen keeping his eyes closely on each of them as and when they were given an opportunity to speak in the courtroom. Hearing of the matter continues on April 12, 2018. The hope of the judge and lawyers connected to this case is that a panel will be put in place to constitute the jury to hear this particular case. Reporting for JoyNews from the Law Court Complex, my name is Joseph Akable.